Hi and welcome. My name is Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about YouTube tag extractor and a YouTube video tag generator. There is a little difference between the two of them, and I want to share that with you and why I like them and why I think they're good for your YouTube short videos and long form videos. But before we get started, I just want to let you guys know this video is being created with the Wondershare Filmora 11.6.7. Without further ado, let's get into it, because some of you may be familiarized with the YouTube tags or whatever, or generators and extractors, whatever. So let's get right to it. I'm going to minimize myself here. And this information comes from Filmora, okay? And it goes on to say here the 7 best online YouTube tag extractors over here. But I'm going to read a little into this here, and then we're going to get a little more into it, and then I want to show you some of my videos, how I use it and how it works, okay? All right, let's read a little into this here, and I'm going to go skip around and go to different windows here, so stick with me, guys. Hang in there. All right, it goes producing, entertaining, and captivating visual content for your YouTube channel is not enough to reach the audience you're targeting. Tagging your videos appropriately is more important than it may seem at first, as it increases the visibility of your content and helps you reach the ideal viewer. Okay, now I'm going to read that part there. We're just going to go over here, talk a little about YouTube here, what they have to say about it as well. Just want to keep you guys informed. This way, if you guys are not familiar with it, you know, you will become after you watch this video, hopefully. It says adding tags to your YouTube videos. So it's going to kind of go back and forth here, but it goes on to say tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. Your video's title, thumbnail, and description are more important pieces of metadata for your video's discovery. These main pieces of info help viewers decide which videos to watch. Okay, now let me go over here, and I got 2 windows open up here, and what I want to read to you guys right now, let's go to this slide first. Using tags in your videos. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. I don't know if you already out there are using them. I use them exclusively in my videos, and to me, I'll be honest with you, it seems to have helped getting me views, likes, and I'm using it in my short videos and also my long form videos. Okay, but let's read this here. It just says, using tags in your videos. Do tags really help on YouTube? Tags are considered an important ranking factor in YouTube's search algorithm. Why are tags important? Like any piece of metadata, your tags are an opportunity to give the YouTube and Google information about your video, including your video's topic, category, and more. Okay, here's the next one. What is your YouTube tag generator? If you're looking to generate YouTube tags for your videos, then you can use a YouTube tags generator. YouTube tags generators are online tools that help you find the most popular tags on YouTube. Enter the title of your next YouTube video, and the YouTube tags generator will give you a list of tags to use. Cut and dry, right? All right. Now we're going to go, now that I got that out of the way, let's go over here and check out my videos. We're going to go back to this screen here. We're going to move over here, and this here is one of my videos. This is a long form videos. As you can see here, I have the YouTube Shorts here. Okay, it generates it. Now I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, it's going to be at the end of the video, but I want to show you, like as you can see here, what do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 here. I got, what is it? 6. I got 6 tags here. Plus, they also give you recommended ones too. Once you put in the title over here, like here, I kept the title very brief, as you can see. Titles are pretty important too. And also, when it comes to tags and you're doing shorts, always put the hashtag over here, or the #, same thing, hashtag, #, shorts. This way, when the YouTube algorithm hits that hashtag there, hopefully it's going to draw your information, draw your video to hopefully those particular people who are looking to watch your video. Again, it's all up to them. They can if they want to watch it, they're going to watch it regardless whether you got the tags in there or not. But it does help. I believe it does help in the search algorithms. Okay, within YouTube, and I also believe it does help you with your views and hopefully get more subscribers. I've been noticing an uptick in my subscribers and views and likes. Seriously. All right. So this is what you want to do in your description. You could go a lot more on that there. I just try to keep it brief. But anytime you're doing a YouTube short, put that in there. The hashtag there. shorts, and then right underneath it put the description. You want to keep it brief. I keep it brief, you know. I don't know how much people are going to read anyway. They're going to read it all. But anyway, this is what the format I go through, right? And as you can see here, again, how I got this in. I'm going to show you how it works, all right? How the YouTube generator works. That's at the end of this coming up. All right. Now this one here, what happens is, let's go there. Matter of fact, let's go there right now. Let's go there right now. Okay. This one is from Crade. Tool for creators. Okay, let me give you a URL because you guys might want to use it. I use it. I know there's other ones out there. Okay, it's www.crade. You know what? I'll just drop the link below, but I'll spell it anyway. It's CRAIDE.com. Okay, Crade, just like you see there. I use it. I think it's been very, very helpful. And let me show you how it works. Okay, now this one here is the YouTube tag extractor. Okay, this tool extracts tags from your YouTube video, for a YouTube video. Just enter the URL, and our tool does the rest. Now, let's go back over here. There's a reason why I had this one opened up like this here. What you want to do is you want to click over here. You want to copy it. Okay, copy. Then you want to go back here, and then you're going to pop it right in here, the URL. Boom, you put it in here, hit extract tags. Boom, it comes up like this here. Okay, so now, for this video, if I copy and paste all these here or copy to the clipboard, when I upload that video, it's going to go into the tagline. Okay, these are the things that's going to show up. All right. So let's go back to the other one now. Let's move this over here. And let's go to the YouTube video tag generator. That was the tag extractor. This is the YouTube tag generator. Now, what you want to do here, this one says this tool can suggest YouTube video, just the title for your YouTube video. All right, and I'll show you again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here again. Let's go back to this one here, right? Where is it? Did I just bump out of there? I think I bumped out of that one altogether. Oh, I think I closed it out. That can't be good. All right, so let's go over here, guys. All right, let's just pick this one out again. Let's use this one here. And we'll go back here. I guess I bumped out of it when I clicked out of it too quick. All right, so what you want to do is I don't have to put the date there. I do the date for myself. I always like to timestamp things. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this title here, okay, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to go over here, and we're going to pop it right over here. Remember, that one was the URL, the tag extractor, and this one is the tag generator. So one's asking for the URL, the other one's asking for the title. We're going to hit the generate tags. Boom, look at all of them. Now, YouTube is not going to probably want you to put all these in here. You're going to probably get some kind of, some kind of a message or something like that. Too many, tags. But when it comes to copying to the clipboard, you can X them out, okay? But pick the ones that you think, get rid of the ones that you don't think are going to be good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like this one here, best advice for YouTube. But they're all good. See, that's the thing. They're all good. But you could just X them out like this here, and you could shorten it up like this here. And what happens is when you click them on here, well, when you click them down, let's see, like it depends. Pick out the ones you want, the ones that you think are going to be good, all right? Creator Academy and stuff like that. You don't need certain things like that. Like this one here, small channel growth, YouTube, that might be a good one to put in there. But you could cut these down. You could keep it down to probably like 7, between 3 and 5, like they say, if you choose to do so. But pick the good ones out. So just get rid of the ones you don't want. And what happens is when you copy it to your clipboard, right? When you copy to the clipboard, it'll say copies right up here, right? Copy. You can see right up here where my mouse cursor is. You click OK. And then what you're going to do, when you go back, let's go back to this video. What happens to that thing? It keeps bumping out of here? All right. What you're going to do is I'm going to show you as an example here. Now, when you want to add tags to them, let's get rid of these here. I'll show you how it works here. Let's get rid of all this here. Oh, let's just bump them out. Actually, just exit out. Delete all. Okay. Here's the tags. Right now, here's what happens on my keyboard here. What I do is I click on the Windows Start and V. Okay. Now over here, it covered me here. Oh, where am I here? Let me move over here. Up here. It's bumping me around here. So let's do it again. The Windows Start key and the V. Okay. So now when I scroll down here, and this will keep a log like this. You're going to have to clean these out as time goes on. What you're going to do is you're going to look for the one that you just saved. Okay. Right over here. and you're going to click that on, and it should populate. Well, first off, let me get over here first off. Let's try this again. It's got to populate now. Let's go here, V. Okay, here, now it's on this side. Okay, that's because I was in this one. All right. And what's going to happen is you're going to go here, go back down to this one again. I'm sorry, guys. I'm driving you crazy. I apologize. You're going to click it on, and boom, they're there. Okay? That's how that works. That's how easy it works. You copy to the clipboard. Remember, it's the Windows Start key and the letter V as in victory. Okay? So it'd be Start key, V. Once you copy it, that's how it works. Well, that's how it's working on mine. I'm using a Windows 10 operating system here. Okay? So it'd be the Start key and the number V. Once you get that there, but make sure you're in the tag line, tagline there. I'm getting tongue-tied already. Start, right? It's terrible. All right, you can copy the tags as well over here, and you got that. Now, when you do that, you're also check, because you don't want. Sometimes they give you recommended tags. If you see something that you put in here that you just copied here into your tagline, and you don't see it, you could probably take one of these here. Like, let's see, for example, all right, they had this one. You had to start a YouTube channel for beginners. You're not going to want to add this one. Let's see, starting a YouTube channel. Let's see, how to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube. All right, starting a YouTube channel from scratch. Okay, so this one here, I don't see it there. So if you could always add it, just there, click on the plus sign. There we go, and now it's there. See, starting a YouTube channel. So now you got that many, you got that other tag there. And then when you upload it, you save it, whatever. Everything should, work out pretty good. Like I said again, it's been working for me. Let me show you something over here right quick. I'm going to go back to my videos, and let's go to analytics. We don't go to the analytics. We don't want to go to that one. We don't need to go to the analytics. What I want to do is go over here and click. I want to get to the one that says content. I'm not gonna say this because that video is already uploaded. Well, here, let me move down here. This is what I was talking about. You're not gonna be able to see it because let me move me up here for a second here. If you look on the sides here with the YouTube Shorts, I've been adding a lot of tags like that. Okay, this video here has got 84 views, got 5 likes. This one's got 90. I'm talking, these are YouTube Shorts right here. 93 views, 5 likes. This one here, 191, 9 likes. This one over here, 99 views. That's 191. This is 99. That's got 4 likes. Anyway, it goes on and on with the YouTube Shorts. And like I said again, just adding those tags, okay, and let alone creating the YouTube Shorts and putting out content that's going to be helpful to you guys. You could see, just looking over here, the views I got here on a lot of them. One of them I can't find it right now. Oh yeah, this one over here, I got 1,387 views on it, 60 likes. 60 likes. Okay, this is the one, just sharing a tip. A tip for the new YouTube creator. This got 1,387 views. And it's got 60 likes. Not bad. I'm a small YouTube creator, so I don't think that's bad at all. Okay. All right. Let me make myself bigger here because we're going to close this video out. But anyway, listen. Try it out. Try those tags out. Those programs, the tag generator and extractor. There are other ways. I can share other tips with you too on how to get other ways to search and hopefully get your videos up in higher in rank there, search recommendations. But again, try it out. If you like it, you want to drop a comment below, tell me yay or nay, it worked, it didn't work, you didn't see a difference in there. Listen, folks, remember one thing, there's a lot of competition on YouTube, just like is any competition, all the other businesses, right, and all the other platforms out there. You got to stick to it. And as I always say in my videos, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Yeah, seriously, that's my advice to new YouTube creators out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel. It's going to take time. It is a lot of work. Like a lot of YouTube creators say out there, the successful ones that have millions of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of them, they'll tell you the same thing. Starting a YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a marathon. But the thing is consistency too. putting out videos. If you could do it on a daily basis, some of you have 9-to-5 jobs or whatever, you come home on a weekend, maybe you might want to try it then, or maybe if you do, have a 9-to-5 job, maybe after dinner you could probably make one short little video, or 5 or 10 minute video, or 15 minutes, or something like that there. But try to be consistent. Consistency, as far as I'm concerned, and from what I've been reading, consistency is the key to having your channel grow, become successful with it. You know what I'm saying? And you need to do it. You can't, if you're going to do a video, once every couple of weeks or whatever, it's going to take your channel a long time to grow. I've been hearing that from other YouTube creators out there, and I try to, but sometimes I always, I don't always have that opportunity because I get pulled away into different directions, going here, there, whatever. And then I try to do a podcast, which I do have a podcast. I haven't gotten to that just yet. I mean, I'm kind of like juggling all these things here around, and I don't have the time, so it's either one or the other. Like, just to get this video set up, I had to do some research on there, do my little presentation there with, Microsoft PowerPoint, whatever. Not that it's a great presentation, but, it takes time to do all that stuff because you got to, look it up and read and stuff like that. And I want you guys who hit my YouTube channel, especially this is the first time hit my YouTube channel, the most important thing to me, and I can't express it and stress it enough when it comes to my videos, is that you guys get a takeaway from my videos. Okay, you got to get a takeaway from it, because if not, it just it doesn't do anything for me. I feel like I'm not successful in getting that word out, and it's very important to me. And I want you guys to be successful too. I want you guys, I want your channels to grow. I mean, that's why I do these videos. I spend a lot of time on this computer, 7 days a week, believe it or not. And I'm up at 6 in the morning. I don't go to bed till sometimes 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. But I don't mind. People say you burn yourself out, but you know something? I want to put these videos out because I want to help people. Okay. Like I said earlier in my other videos, I don't know if I said in this one, I don't have a book to sell you. I don't have a dream to sell you. And, the only thing I can offer is free advice. And, who knows, maybe one day, maybe I will be able to, get this channel. Well, the channel is monetized, but come up with merch or whatever. Who knows? It's a way to generate income to support the channel so I can keep creating these videos, But I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep putting these videos out. And the thing is, like I said again, I hope you guys get a takeaway from it. That is the most important thing. I created this YouTube channel back in 2013, and the whole premise behind it, and for all intents and purposes, to help inspire and share. Okay, I want to put out good content out there, and I want you guys to get the information. And the information I do supply to you guys, I hope you use it and it's beneficial to you. I hope it will help. Okay, so if you like this video, if you like my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Piscini, signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Remember what I always say, if you're starting off, or if you're going to start a new YouTube channel, keep it real, keep it original, let your channel grow organically. Until next time, bye-bye for now.